Hare Krishna. Today we are going to discuss the second function of mind. I stands for imagination. Mind takes pleasure in images, imaginary literature, imaginary documentaries, novels, movies, songs, etc. In today's world, most of the people spend their time in internet, in other words, in Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other some websites, so on. Nowadays, people are not living a real life, but they are living a real life. People are not living an actual life, but they are living a virtual life. They focus on virtual relationship, not on actual relationship, because of mind's imaginary nature. Due to the imaginary nature of mind accepts the new thing and rejects the old things again and again. This is called sankalpa and vikalpa. In the beginning, mind says, "You are my life." At the end, mind says, "I will take away your life." In the beginning, mind says, "I love you." At the end, mind says, "I hate you." In the beginning, mind says, "You are everything for me." At the end, mind says, "You are nothing for me." In the beginning, mind says, "You are my best boyfriend." At the end, mind says, "You are my bye friend. Bye bye, my friend." At the beginning, mind says, "You are my best girlfriend." At the end, mind says, "I will grill you, my friend." In this way, mind accepts new things, new relationship, and rejects old things and old relationships again and again. This is called sankalpa and vikalpa of mind. Generally, mind is unstable in nature because of its imaginary nature. Mind is just like a pendulum, moves from past to future. Generally, mind does not stay in present. The living entity suffers because of a focus on future, and he gets fear because of imagination of future, and he gets lamentation because of past thoughts. The mind focus on past and mind focus on future, and mind forgets the present. Mind gives tension to the living entity. The presentation of mind is tension, and it is because of imaginary nature of mind, unstable nature of mind. Just as we have to hold the pendulum in order to make it stable, similarly we have to hold the mind with patience and determination to keep it in प्रेजेंट. मन स्थिर है तो सब कुछ स्थिर है, मन अस्थिर है तो सब कुछ अस्थिर है. इसलिए स्थिरता ही मनुष्य का वीरता है. जहां पर स्थिरता नहीं है, जीवन वहां पर अस्थिर हो जाता है. Due to the nature of imagination, mind creates many doubts within our heart. Doubts are the most vicious enemy in our life. Doubts invites danger in our life. Doubts destroy delightful relationship. Doubts derides us from our divine responsibility. In this way, doubt creates destruction in our life because of imaginary nature of mind. And presently so many imagination because of internet, iPhone, smartphone, so on. एक बार एक लड़का यमलोक में गया और यमराज उनको पूछे कि तुमको नरक चाहिए या स्वर्ग चाहिए, स्वर्ग में जाना चाहता है या नरक में जाना चाहता है। वो लड़का ने कहा सर किधर भी भेज दो, सिर्फ धरती से मेरा स्मार्टफोन और चार्जर लेकर आइए, उसके बाद आप नरक में भेजिए या स्वर्ग में भेजिए, चलेगा। बिकॉज माइंड टेक्स प्लेजर इन इमेजिनेशन, always we focus on imaginary things. Hare Krishna.